Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about trigonometry. This is very important topic of 10th class. So listen here. Trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word. So in the trigonometry, each and every term have some meaning. First, tri. Tri meaning three. Next, gonia, which means an angle. Metron meaning measure. Thus, trigonometry means the angle measure. It is an analytical study of three angles geometrical figure. Hipparchus, he is a Greek mathematician. He established one relation between three sides and three angles of a triangle. So students, here is the syllabus of trigonometry. First, introduction. Introduction means what is trigonometry. Next, trigonometric ratios. There are 6 ratios. So that are first one sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. Second one, trigonometric ratios on particular angles. Particular angles means 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. It means sin 0 degrees, sin 30 degrees, etc. Next, trigonometric ratios are complementary angles. So what is the meaning of complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90, the two angles are called complementary angles. So like sin of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, etc. Next, trigonometric identities. It is very important topic. There are 3 identities in trigonometry. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is the syllabus from the trigonometry. Now I am going to explain about each and every topic of trigonometry. So students, first of all, introduction. Trigonometry is a study of relationship between 3 angles and 3 sides of a triangle. Generally, we use right angle triangle to do the problems of trigonometry. In a right angle triangle, for example, here I took one right angle triangle. Right angle at B, A and C. So opposite of the right angle is nothing but hypotenuse. In right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. What is the meaning of Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of one side is equal to sum of squares of another two sides. What is the Pythagoras theorem? I repeat. In a right angle triangle, square of one side is equal to sum of squares of another two sides. Nothing but AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Already we know there are 6 ratios in trigonometry. Full names of ratios. What is the full name? Sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but sine of an angle theta. In short form, we can write as sin theta. Next, cos theta, cosine of an angle theta. In short form, we can write as cos theta. Tan theta, it means tangent of an angle theta. In short form, we can write as tan theta. Cot theta, cotangent of an angle theta. In short form, we can write as cot theta. Next, sec theta, secant of an angle theta. Cosec theta, cosecant of an angle theta. ratios of trigonometry. So in a right angle triangle, here I took one right angle triangle, A and B and C. Right angle at B. And opposite to at angle. It means here one angle is theta. So opposite to theta is called the opposite side of an angle theta. This is nothing but adjacent side of an angle theta. And opposite of right angle is called the hypotenuse. First, what is the sin theta? Sin theta is equal opposite side of an angle theta by hypotenuse. So nothing but BC by AC. Second, cos theta. What is the formula to find cos theta? Adjacent side of an angle theta by hypotenuse. That is nothing but AB by AC. And tan theta. Tan theta. What is the formula of tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Here, what is the ratio of sin theta? BC by AC. And ratio of cos theta? AB by AC. So BC by AC and AB by AC. AC get cancelled. Nothing but BC by AB. Next, cot theta. So cot theta, it is the ratio of cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta. So what is the cos theta here? AB by AC. Next, BC by AC. AC gets cancelled. So that is AB by BC. Next, fourth ratio, secant theta. Sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is equal to, we can write 1 by cos theta. What is the ratio of cos theta? AB by AC. This we can write as AC by AB. It is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side of an angle theta. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So cosecant theta we can write as 1 by sin theta. So it is hypotenuse by opposite side of an angle theta. So from this we can write tan theta into cot theta is equal to, what is the formula of tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta into, what is the formula to find cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled. Cos theta get cancelled. So what is the answer? 1. Next, secant theta into sin theta. What is the value of secant theta into sin theta? Already explained. Secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta into cos theta. Secant theta we can write 1 by cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled. What is the answer here? 1. Next, cosecant theta into sin theta. Cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So what we can write here? 1 by sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta gets cancelled. What is the answer here? 1.